Hello and welcome to my channel. So today's video is about ventilating. I'm going to be showing you two ways to ventilate, and I'm going to tell you why you should choose one over the other. Stay tuned and watch this video. If you haven't watched my first video on ventilating, please do well to go and check, because I did more explanation over there than I'm going to be doing in this video. This video is basically going to talk about why you should choose one way of ventilating over the other, and the other video talks more about it. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description below, so do well to click on it and check my first video on ventilating. Guys, this is the first type of ventilating. Mostly I pull 2 or 3 strands of hair and then pass it through the lace. So when I get to the front part where the hairlines is going to be, I just pull 1 strand of hair. This is a 360 wig, and I'm probably going to be using about 2 weeks to finish this hair, because this requires a lot of time. And guys, it's not easy ventilating, but all the same. So guys, we are looking at the second method of ventilating. Guys, I really need you to look at this method very carefully. So look at how this method works. If you did not observe the first method well, I advise you go back and then you check it well. So this method, instead of 1 lock, we are going to do with 2 locks. If I should say, this method secures the hair very well. because locking it twice is going to secure the hair from pulling out from the lace.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head on the water.
So guys, let's compare the first method to the second method. So this is the second method, and this is how the second method is looking like. So guys, this is the first method. So comparing the two, which one will you go for? Guys, I'll go for the first method because it makes the knot very clean and natural.